How to delete all purchase history on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your App Store. Now, at the top right corner, you're gonna find your profile icon. Click on that. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option Purchase History. Once you're in this page, you're gonna find the list of the apps that we have purchased. Now, how to delete all of those at once. Swiping to the left, you're gonna find the option of Hide for each of the app. Within this, you won't find the option to delete all the purchase history at once. Instead, you have to hide each of the app manually by swiping to the left, then selecting the option of Hide. At the moment, you cannot delete all purchase history at once. If in the future iPhone comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. So that's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear if you can delete all purchase history on iPhone or not. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.